non-technical person, are you planning to learn and figure out the top 5 ways to build AI agents super fast? Well, you're at the right place. And this is something nobody's talking about. Number one, use OpenAI's documentation to actually learn about AI agents. Number two, most of the YouTube tutorials don't help except if they are marked with build along videos where you actually do the hands on with the video. Number three, I absolutely love this. Get into secret Discord communities where you can actually learn AI agents and build something. Four, the most favorite of all, I love to read. Use and subscribe to free AI agent newsletters. They're very, very important and you can skyrocket your learning. And number five, just build one project. At least one broken agent is actually much better than having done nothing. If you want to learn more, then comment AI and I'll send you the link to my masterclass where we build AI agents and apps as absolute beginners, absolute dummies. And I'll guarantee you that in just 2 hours, you'll be able to do that or you get a complete refund. And the best part is you can also build your secret digital communities and earn at least $1,000 a month. Thank you so much.